6:43 this morning, and temperatures across Texas are cold, but it doesn't seem that bad compared to other places. It's 51 in Brownsville right now, 41 in Houston. It is 20 in Oklahoma City, and then you do have a lot of temperatures below freezing in the south, but even the 20s don't seem that bad compared to what's farther to the north this morning. It's actually almost freezing in Jacksonville. We do have some freezing temperatures even as far south as the panhandle of Florida, but negative 31 in Bismarck, negative 27 in Minneapolis. And with the wind that's in place up in far northern North Dakota, northern Minneapolis, wind chills are around negative 60. Then you go from like a little range of negative 50, negative 40, negative 30, but it doesn't get much better. Just some frigid temperatures. And I think there's going to be one more morning of that. It might slide a little bit more to the east tomorrow morning, and then by Friday morning, some improvement. But some truly remarkable air. But the record-breaking cold is pretty far to the north. Not any record-breaking cold temperatures in the state of Texas. For us this morning, a few gaps in the clouds. Not much, though. You might see a little bit of sunshine around in the morning, but already more clouds overall than sun. And by the time we get to the afternoon, I think that goes away, and it's just going to be overcast skies. And then we'll start to see a few showers pop up, maybe around 2 o'clock this afternoon. I do think that during the afternoon, early evening hours, more are going to stay dry than see rain. Notice that there's a lot more dry spots that are showing up than the green showing up on the map. But when you go late tonight, after midnight, that's when we think the best chance of rain is going to be, and that's going to set us up for what looks like a pretty wet morning commute tomorrow. I do think it's going to be slower on the roads tomorrow morning because there's already going to be rain during the overnight hours, and there'll be even more around. I think things are going to be peaking during the morning hours. There are going to be a few gaps, but showers looking like they're going to be likely for the morning hours. And then maybe a few gaps in the afternoon, but rain is still certainly going to be around. There could be a few rumbles of thunder, especially closer to the coast, but I think it's mainly going to be shower activity, mainly light to moderate rain. Though there could be a few showers early Thursday evening, I think it's all done by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So the question is, how much rain are we going to end up seeing? And for most of us, I think it's going to be fairly unimpressive. We're talking about a quarter an inch to a half an inch for the vast majority of us. If you get under a thunderstorm, though, which this model is picking up on, perhaps out along the island, yes, you could see over an inch of rain, but I do think that is going to be few and far between. Most of us, the rainfall totals are a quarter inch to a half an inch, and so it's another good round of soaking rain that we need, but not too much to worry about a flood threat. Now, the rain chance during the day today is only 20%. For the most part, it's just going to be mostly cloudy in the morning, overcast skies in the afternoon, and still cool. Highs around 62, a little bit warmer than yesterday, but definitely looking very different with a lot more clouds around. Tonight is going to be cloudy, and the rain chance goes up to a 50% chance. And notice that our temperatures don't drop very much. The lows tonight only in the upper 50s, and that is above normal for this time of year. And this is actually looking one of our colder nights in the nights ahead, because we're going to see the humidity coming back through the day today, and then it'll be around tomorrow, and then it looks like it's going to be sticking around because we don't see another cold front at all over the next 7 days. And so it's going to be a steady warming trend. Now, it's going to be slowed down a little bit by the amount of clouds that we're going to have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, especially for tomorrow because of all the rain as well. There's not going to be rain around during the day on Friday, so that'll get us to the mid-70s. Still mostly cloudy on Saturday, so upper 70s. But once we get back to partly cloudy skies, low 80s and even the mid-80s on Tuesday. That said, there could be another cold front arriving next Wednesday that might cool us back down. We'll keep an eye on that. Well, more news right after this break.